little warm. Just,
Excuse me, sir. You're
brutal.
causing a lot of trouble.
hey,
Causing a ruckus.
anybody that thinks it's cool to have a track car for the street is high as a kite.
Yeah, that just...
Good, man. You? Good to see you.
Good to see you.
Yeah.
Howdy. How's it going?
Good, you?
Good, not bad.
Good.
Hey, good morning. We're at the Vault. It's a good friend of mine's shop, Ron. And about every third Saturday, Ron has people over for cars and coffee. I got here a little late, like 9:30, and half the guys are already gone. It starts at 7. If you guys ever come to this event, try and find me. I'm usually here, but usually don't get here until 9:30. I took the race car, and it takes a while to get the gearbox warmed up. So that's why I'm a little late, quote unquote. We're also here for Fastlane Drive. I'm a member of Fastlane Drive. And we did a charity event this morning to give toys to a charity event for Christmas. So we had about 15 guys show up for that. We're actually gonna do a run to Bartlett Lake and then head over to Sanctuary Resort, where we're gonna do lunch and then probably have after hours at my house. So I know Massimo can't make it to that, otherwise we film that because it's always good times. And finally the group sort of gets lively at that point. But yeah, let's take a quick tour around.
Walk around a bit.
And Ron's car, one of my favorite GT3 RSs. I love this color. And he has a lot of carbon bits to it too. I don't think it's the, what's that called? The
Y-Sock package?
Yeah, it doesn't have the Y-Sock, I don't think.
I don't think so.
Yeah,
It looks like it has the sport seats, but I don't know if it's the Y-Sock package.
yeah, let's see it on. Let me see,
Check it out.
actually. Oh yeah, yeah, it does.
Oh, cool.
Yeah,
Okay.
so that makes sense because he has a carbon hood, carbon roof.
Yep.
So a beautiful looking car. We'll let Massimo do a B-roll, show you around what cars are still here. And thanks for watching. Please keep following and subscribing, and we'll see you soon.